Alright, so I'm going to do this voiceover while I have my toddler here. Hopefully I can do something. Alright, so this is me blending my peppers, and then when it starts blended, I'm going to fry my onions and fry for like about 2-3 minutes. Let it be a little bit golden brown. So once that's fried, I'm going to be pouring out my blended peppers. I'm going to list what I blended in the caption. So I'm going to blend it for, I'm going to fry that for a little bit, then I will add my tomato paste. I'm trying not to laugh here because so once I add the tomato paste, I'm gonna just stir it a little bit, and then once that's stirred, I will cover that to cook for like about 20 to 25 minutes. So now it's nice and cooked a little bit. So I'm going to add my onions, onion powder, garlic powder. I'm going to add some seasoning and also add some ginger as well. And also don't forget the salt, and that's important. So once that's I'm looking, oh, that's cool, Ryan. So once that's put in, I will cover it for another maybe 10 minutes before I add my rice. Oh yeah, I almost forget the paprika. Heavy on that, you know, if you want some color to your jollof rice. Alright guys, stay tuned for the rest of the video, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'll be putting up captions as well as I go along with the video. So now that I've added my rice, I'm going to pour some water. So usually I like to boil my water so it can cook fast. So I boil some water and pour some water in it. So after that, I'm going to stir just to mix the sauce well with the rice. And once that's stirred, I am going to cover the rice. But before I do that, I added some bay leaf for some scent. This is optional. If you don't have bay leaf, you don't have to. So I'm going to cover that now and let that cook for about 20 minutes. So have your fire on low heat. Don't have it too high so it doesn't burn. And also preferably use a non-stick pan as well. So now it's not fully cooked, so I'll be adding a little bit more water to it. Just a little bit, just to make the rice soften a little bit more. Once that's put to it, I'll cover it for another few minutes and just let the steam do the rest of the work. So now I think it's cooked. So I have some fried meat that I mixed with some sauce that I used earlier. So I'm going to add that just for some protein or some flavor. This is also optional. You can use fish or you can use whatever eggs or whatever you want to add to your rice. It's very optional. Or salad if you're vegetarian. So this is what it's looking like so far. It looks so good and it tastes really good, guys. Alright guys, this is the end of my video. Let me know in the comment section what you think, and let me know if you add anything to your jollof rice or if you cook your jollof rice differently. Let me know in the comment section. And I forgot to mention that I also use jasmine rice instead of the regular parboiled rice. Thank you guys, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you guys. Bye.